First of all, survey was done and surveyor give excavation points. After marking, excavation was done with help of front-end excavator and dumper. Level of surface carried out for 30 meters, once excavation was completed. And PCC done after surface leveling. Reinforcement bar cutting and bending have been started with PCC. Then reinforcement bars are carried out to the activity location. And bars are placed as shown in picture. After that, formwork material is carried out to the activity location. And it is placed as per drawing details for concreting of retaining wall footing. 75 mm cover block is tied with reinforcement in between bar and formwork plates. Formwork plates are tied with the use of nut and bolts, and plates are supported with U-head jack tecas. After setting of plates, leveling was done using plumb bob. And then concreting was done for the retaining wall footing, with the help of required tools and equipments like concrete mixture, vibrator, floaters and levers. So this is how it looks like after footing was done for retaining wall. Once retaining wall footing is done, retaining wall concreting is started in 4 lifts because height of retaining wall is 6.8 meters. So, for the first lift, all the formwork materials are placed to location as shown in picture. After that, leveling has been checked with use of plumb bob for the first layer. Then formwork is tied with tie rods for better strength. And before concreting, all the formwork placement was checked by senior engineer. After that, concreting is done for the first lift of retaining wall, with the help of required tools and equipments. After concreting of each lift's de-shuttering of formwork material has been done. And same way other 3 lifts of retaining wall has been constructed. Supports are placed for construction of second lift of retaining wall. So in short, retaining wall activity breakdown is 1. Marking point for excavation, 2. Excavation, 3. PCC, 4. Reinforcement, 5. Footing formwork, 6. Footing concreting, 7. Retaining wall first lift formwork, 8. Retaining wall first lift concreting, 9. De-shuttering and curing for 14 days. So after construction of retaining wall, it will look like this as shown in picture. Retaining walls are vertical or near vertical structures designed to retain material on one side, preventing it from collapsing or slipping or preventing erosion. They provide support to terrain where the soil's angle of repose is exceeded and it would otherwise collapse into a more natural form. The principal characteristic of the retaining wall is being able to withstand the pressure exerted by the retained material, which is usually